welcome to our happy kitchen today. We will learn fun kitchen words together.
Yay! Let us learn English.
Let's start now.
Hey, do you know what this is? We use it every day when eating yummy soup.
Spoon.
Do you know what this is? We put delicious food on it.
Plate.
Yay! This is a plate. We use it to hold our food. We drink milk or juice with it every day.
Cup.
Good job! This is a cup. We use it to drink water. Can you guess this? We use them to pick noodles, rice, and yummy food. Look, do you know what this is? We use it for soup and hot noodles.
Ladle.
Yay! This is a ladle.
Hey, Lily, what is this? We cook soup and noodles inside it every day.
Pot.
Good job! This is a pot. We cook food inside it. Wow, can you guess this?
Pan.
Amazing! This is a pan. We use it to cook delicious food. Do you know this one? It helps us cut fruits and vegetables.
Knife.
Great job! This is a knife. We use it to cut food. Wow, what is this called? Sometimes we eat noodles and soup in it.
Bowl.
Yes, this is a bowl. We use it for soup and noodles. Lily Jag, do you know what this is? It helps us cook warm, yummy rice every day.
Rice cooker.
Awesome!
Can you name this? We add a little to make food tasty.
Salt. Yay!
This is salt. Do you know this? We use it before cooking food in the pan.
Oil.
Great job! This is oil. Wow! Today we learned so many kitchen words together. Spoon, fork, plate, cup, bowl, and more.
Great job! Bye! See you next video! Like and follow for more fun English learning videos.